Hey you guys, back again. I got one more for you. This one is going to be the installation of the unequal length header by 1320 Performance on the DelSol. I had previously installed the GodSnow Catback, and now this is the installation of the header down to the test pipe, which will eventually get a cat put back in it when the car gets back on the road. But I wanted to just get everything together and see how it would sound. So this is that installation on the 93 Honda DelSol SI with the D16 VTEC motor. All right, enjoy. Okie dokie. This is my install of the 1320 Performance unequal length header. And mid pipe to test pipe. I will have a catalytic converter installed later with the D16 VTEC motor. First, I've gathered everything together. These are 12 millimeter. Your bolts for the header itself. For the new system, we've got 14 millimeter is going to be your bolts, and your nuts are 15. There we go. I don't know why it didn't want to focus. So I went ahead and set that up so that I would know I have everything, all my tools set up and ready, placed strategically. We're going to do this as quick as possible. I did an unboxing video, but here quickly overview, you can see how nice this is. Beautiful welds. I've got my O2 sensor already pre-installed to make this easier. There's our brand new gasket that comes with it. We've got our new gasket to go to the collection point at the Catback, which is already installed. I don't have a whole lot of storage space on this SD card, so this is going to be quick and dirty. I will have a second video of the sound of it. Clean off the mounting surface, because you'd be amazed where all this grime gets. Place your gasket on. Carefully with the oxygen sensor. Drop everybody down. Line it up. Snap it on. Grab a bolt to hold it in place. Just finger tight, just a little bit. And you're going to want to do that to all of them. And then add everybody one by one, and only keep going little by little, tightening everybody, tightening everybody, tightening everybody. Don't tighten one down straight by itself. You want to do everything incrementally and sneak up on it so that you get a nice even flat seat. Once the header was tightened up, it fits. It rubs a little. If I notice it's rubbing a lot, I will put a little notch there, but as of right now, I mean, talk about a fits like a glove. But with this, we have this kind of clamp. It's going to go around the flange you see here, and around this flange, and hold them together. Now, this was a pain in the butt. You need an extra set of hands. Be prepared for it, or do it outside of the car before you install the header. Now I'm going to have to go down here and install this lower section. You want to slip on your donut gasket on the engine end. Get yourself an extra set of hands or a box so that as you're lining this up, you can set the other end up and balance it. Good grief, this thing gave me fits trying to focus. Anyway, I used a jack to level the exhaust. To line everything up, I used a box with some cardboard on it to line up these pieces, and I just finger ran in that guy around the donut gasket. I left the front a little bit loose so that I could turn it from driver's side to passenger side as needed to line up, and then of course I used cardboard to level this to get this just the right height, got everything started. Now I'll be back once I tighten everything up to show you. Same thing with these. That's all finger tight. None of that's been done with a tool, just to get everything level and stable. All right, well there she is, all tightened up. I was not anticipating having to break this video into 3 pieces. Trying to get SD cards to behave. I take too many pictures. That old piece hanging down was from the previous header. It shouldn't cause any interference. Whether that's factory or not, I don't know. But here's this piece. That coupler down there. Up top, here's our header. Everybody's installed. Now I just get to fire it up. Anyhow, that ends the installation video.